Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In 1 minute, one question answer series. Our today's question is which test gives yield strength of material? So which test gives the yield strength value of a material? This is a very straightforward question and the correct answer is tensile test. With the help of tensile test, we can get yield strength, we can get ultimate tensile strength and we can get percentage elongation. All these three important values we can get with the help of tensile test. See, after doing the tensile test, a curve is plotted, a graph is plotted and that graph is called as a stress strain curve, and on the graph you'll see this point B. If you'll see the point B is the yield point where yielding begins, means material deformation start permanently. So this is the point from where yielding begins, and at point D the maximum load which the material sustains, this is the point D, this is called as ultimate tensile strength. After this the failure happens. So D is the point where the maximum stress the material sustains, that is the point D, and it is called as upper tensile strength, ultimate tensile strength. And point B is from where the yielding starts, means the material permanent deformation starts, that is called as yield point. So yield point, ultimate tensile strength and the percentage elongation, all these three value we get from tensile test. So correct answer is tensile test. And in fact in your MTC, material test certificate also, whenever you verify the material test certificate in raw material inspection, you need to verify the tensile test values like yield strength, tensile strength and percentage elongation. So this is a very important test and it is used everywhere in the industry. Even I've explained about this stress strain curve and tensile strength in my website and my YouTube channel also. I've taken this photograph from my website www.weldingandnt.com. Friends, I would request you to please join my channel if you have not done it yet. Joining is very easy. After subscribing my channel, you will see the join icon, and you can, by pressing that join icon, you can become a member of my channel. Friends, I would request you to please give your valuable feedback and suggestions about the quality and content of my videos. Thank you very much.